In this video, I am going to tell you that how you can do fast multiplication of the numbers by 111. So for that we are going to use simple addition, and that will be of only single digit numbers, not more than single digit numbers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I usually make videos related to Vedic Maths. If you have not seen my previous videos, so I will highly recommend you to see my previous videos first so that you can have better understanding of this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates related to these videos.
So let's start our today's topic, which is multiplication of any given number by 111. Okay, 111, right? So let's have a recap of our previous video. If you have not seen my previous video in which I have told that how to do multiplication by 11, so please see that first, because we are going to use that concept in this video. Okay, so while writing the answer, what we have done in the previous video when we were doing multiplication by 11, we have written first digit as it is and last digit of the number as it is. This will be our answer, first digit of the answer, and this will be my last digit of the answer, right? And in between, what we were doing, we were taking first and second digit and then the addition, right? Then second and third digit, then do the addition, then third and fourth digit and then do the addition, right? But this time what we will do, we will take first digit as it is, first and second digit sum, and then instead of writing the sum of second and third digit, we will write the sum of first and second plus third, means 1 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, now if there is any another digit, then you will follow this process, second digit plus third digit plus fourth digit. Okay, but now there are no digits left, so we will do the sum of only second and third digit, right? So what we will get as answer? 1. From here we will get as 9. From here 9 plus 1, 10 plus 8, 18. From here we will get 8 plus 9 as 17, and this will be 9. Okay, so now as I have told you earlier also that you cannot have two digit numbers at a single place. So write down your answer from the back side, that 7 will remain here and 1 plus 18, it will become 19. So 19, and this is 9. Again there is a carry, 7, 9 as it is. 9 plus this one will give you 10. Write down the 0 as it is, and carry is 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. Okay, so as simple as it seems that you can solve it within 5 seconds. Okay, let's take another example in which there will be 4 digits instead of 3 digits, right? So suppose there is a value 2891 into 111. What you will do, you will write down your first digit as it is and your last digit as it is, because this will be the part of your answer, first digit of answer, and this will be your last digit of answer, right? So as I have told you, for the first place you will write down the sum of only two digits, 2 plus 8. Okay, next you will write down these three digits, 2 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, first plus second plus third digit, right? Now you will take second, third and fourth digit, that means 8 plus 9 plus 1, and then you will take last two digits, which are 9 plus 1. Okay, till you are having three digits you can write down the sum of the three digits, but at the last when you will be having only two digits, then you will do the sum of only two digits. So write down the answer then. 2, 8 plus 2 will be 10, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 9 is 19, then 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, and it will be 9 plus 1 will be 10, and it will be 1. Okay, write down your first and last digit as it is. So start writing the answer from the last digit, 0 as it is. This one will get added here, it will become 19. So 1 will be carry again from here, So this 1 will get added to this 19. 19 plus 1 will become 20. Okay, 20, and this 2 will get added to this 10 and it will become 12. And now this one will get added to this 2, then this will become, instead of 2 it will become 3, right? So what will be my answer? 3, 2, 0 and 9, 0 and 1. This will be my answer. Okay, let's take another example for more clarity, which is suppose 6231 into 111. Write down your first digit 6 as it is and the last digit 1 as it is. Okay, now write down 6 plus 2, then do the addition of these three values, 6 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, next do the addition of this second, third and fourth digit, that means 2 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, now you are left with only two digits, which are 3 plus 1, right? So write down your answers. 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 3 plus 1 is 4 and it is 1. So write down your answer now. It will be 1, it will be 4, it will be 6 only, and from here what will we write the answer? 1 will be the answer here, and 8 plus 9 will be 8 plus 1 will be 9. So our answer will be 691641. Okay, so you can use this method to find out the multiplication rule for any value, means 6231 into up to any digits of 11. You can use this rule. The rule can be valid for how much the number of 11s are there. The rule is valid. Okay, so let's meet in the next video, in which we will do the multiplication. We will understand the multiplication of some general values. Till now we have learned about the multiplication in which some condition was there, the numbers were satisfying some condition. Suppose there are nearer to some base, there are nearer to some sub base, or like this, right? But now we will learn how to do multiplication of general numbers which are not following any condition. So let's meet in the next video.
If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates related to these kind of videos. So if you have any doubts, then please mention that in the comment box so that I can make more videos related to those topics. Let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to do multiplication of general numbers. Till then, take care and bye bye.